Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Ford Ranger key. First, find the small slot on your key fob, usually near the keyring. Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery. Most Ford Ranger keys use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Pay attention to how the old battery is oriented, noting which side faces up. Use a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or a toothpick, to carefully lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Now it's time to insert your new battery. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Carefully place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Gently press the battery down until it sits securely in its slot. Avoid touching the battery terminals with your fingers. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure they fit together perfectly, then gently press them until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Ford Ranger's doors. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.